Welcome, we win. From a car driver's confusing left turn to a crash between Union Pacific freight train and a white Toyota Camry, recent events highlight the inherent risks of misjudging railway crossings. As the wreckage serves as a reminder of the consequences of negligence, it prompts a collective call for heightened adherence to safety protocols around railway tracks. Let's get it on. In Beaufort, Georgia, the peaceful atmosphere was shattered by a train colliding with a truck on September 2, 2021. Caught on the body camera of a Gwinnett County police officer, the aftermath unfolded dramatically. The truck driver, led astray by his GPS, attempted to cross the tracks at Little Mill Road and West Chadbourn Avenue, only to have his trailer wedged on the crossing. Miraculously, no injuries were reported, but the scene was strewn with resilient Milwaukee power tools. What was that driver thinking? He must have lost his train of thought. The fact that he turned left before crossing the railway line meant that he damaged his own car. Anyway, much respect to the train driver who almost stopped it in time. Amazing. I'm really impressed by how fast the train stopped, especially with all those containers in the back. A Union Pacific freight train collided with a white Toyota Camry near Louisville, Kentucky. The train, stretching about 3/4 of a mile long and traveling at 60 mph, approached the Blue Shell Avenue crossing. Despite functioning crossing signals, the Camry, carrying 4 Bhutanese men returning from soccer practice, attempted to cross. This harrowing incident serves as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of disregarding railway crossing warnings. Never do it. A woman aged 46 was driving with her friend in the passenger seat near train tracks in Hsinchu City, Taiwan. Despite being stopped in traffic with red warning lights indicating an approaching train, she failed to notice the signals. She later admitted to police that she was fatigued, briefly fell asleep at the wheel. Moments later, the speeding Puma Express train collided with their car, resulting in the accident. Pay attention on road and ensure healthy enough when driving. In a dramatic incident in Utah, a 29-year-old woman engaged in a harrowing police chase that culminated in 2 train collisions on a Sunday morning. After Woods Cross police responded to a disturbance call, the woman, driving a black Mercedes, evaded attempts to pull her over. Despite police sirens, she sped toward a level rail crossing, colliding first with a passing freight train and then being struck by another train. The woman drunk and faces charges of evading arrest. If you find our videos help you drive better, please comment what you like so we can make more videos. Thanks much. Now continue. Tuolumne County train derailment closes roads, damages cars.
Oh great, now I got same.
It's a big oops.
It's railway used mostly for hauling lumber to and from local sawmill. A sinkhole under the tracks allegedly, according to local news. A train hit a car on the level crossing on Zonghua Road in Hualien City. A driver drove onto the railroad tracks while the barrier on the level crossing was lowered, but failed to find a way to leave. The police stressed to the public the importance of promptly responding to such situations, even if it means crossing the level crossing. Hopefully the truck driver got out. Truth is that a car no match for a train. Hopefully, the consequences faced by the driver involved will serve as a poignant reminder to all of us to exercise heightened awareness and adhere to safety protocols when navigating such intersections. A crash earlier this month between a garbage truck and a light rail train in Mesa. Thankfully, no one was seriously hurt. A train cannot be stopped and hurtled down a rail line covered in flames in the city of Aguascalientes, central Mexico, after a truck carrying fuel crashed into an overpass nearby. Like video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing moments. In the early morning hours of October 11, 2020, heavy rainfall led to a major train derailment in Lilburn, Georgia. ACSX conductor's distress call revealed a terrifying scenario trapped crew members in the engine as water flooded in. Lucidly responding swiftly, Lilburn police officer Ahmedin Jachifendik braved the danger, aiding the crew's evacuation amidst exploding cargo, and all are safe. Do not stop on wrong side of train barriers like this. A moving train struck an 18-wheel truck that was sitting on train tracks in Midland County, Texas. Witness saw the train blowing its whistle as it approaches, attempting to warn the truck. However, the truck fails to move and the train crashes into it, sending large pipes flying from the flatbed trailer. A train trestle collapse near Sudbury, Ontario, caused a Canadian Pacific train derailment with 5 freight cars plunging into the water. The incident occurred approximately 25 kilometers south of Sudbury. The train driver looked like to try to apply the brakes, but was no longer able to do so in time. The car was pitiful, even though its owner tried to signal the train. The driver stopped to wait for the train very promptly. Was there something that made him so hasty that led to this unfortunate collision? In Wenzhou, Zhejiang, China, a rare accident involving a train and a car unfolded. 2 vehicles, disregarding a red light, crossed a railway intersection and were struck by a speeding train, resulting in a heart-pounding ordeal. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. In Hualien, China, as the railway barriers descended at a busy intersection, a daring driver, heedless of the warning, raced past and collided head-on with an oncoming train. Chaos erupted as the car spun wildly, but miraculously, all 370 train passengers emerged unscathed. Sadly, the 20-year-old driver inebriated with double the legal limit. A stark reminder of the perils of recklessness and the importance of responsible driving. In the gripping footage, a trailer truck, typically hauling heavy equipment, trundles along from north to south until it grinds to a halt at a railway crossing. Suddenly, disaster strikes as the Brantas train hurtles towards it on its journey from Jakarta eastward, Indonesia. In a flash of chaos, flames erupt at the locomotive's forefront as the train collides with the stranded truck, cleaving a train car in 2 from the sheer force of impact. In a reckless attempt to evade police pursuit, a reckless individual careened onto train tracks, abandoning a luxurious 4x4 vehicle in their wake. The daring escape unfolded as the culprit brazenly smashed through a closed level crossing barrier.
Get out of the car! Out of the car!
Fortunately, there was no train coming at that time. Do not emulate the fugitive's reckless maneuvers as crossing railroad. In a tragic incident in the Netherlands, a passenger train derailed caused huge damage. The derailment occurred after the train collided with a crane, causing extensive damage. The affected train was traveling between Leiden and The Hague, two major cities in the country. With a deafening roar, the train plowed into the helpless car, sending it careening over 100 feet before coming to a shuddering halt. That occurred in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, near Sunrise Boulevard, as a car found itself stranded on the train tracks.
Yeah, dude. Oh my God, I got it on video.
Police attempted to alert the trapped vehicle, but alas, their efforts fell short. Please comment what you like so we can make more videos.
It was rolling towards my car.
Exercise patience at railway crossings and never attempt to outpace a train. Safety always takes precedence. Never imitate this, folks. After being struck by a train, a truck was dragged for 200 meters. Miraculously, the driver emerged unharmed from the incident. Before crossing the tracks, stop your vehicle at a safe distance. Trains can approach quickly and may not always be immediately visible. The train looks like that, but you never dream of racing against it. Please wait patiently for the train to pass safely before crossing the tracks. A speeding train collided with a pickup truck in the city of Odessa, Texas. Thankfully, the person inside the truck managed to escape before the collision occurred. CCTV footage has captured a startling moment in Manchester as a police car collided with railings outside a local shop. The incident occurred while officers inside the vehicle were en route to address another incident. Fortunately, no other individuals sustained injuries in the mishap. Prioritize safety by maintaining control, reducing speed in advance, and avoiding sudden turns to prevent loss of stability and potential disasters on the tracks. Exercise caution, patience, and strict adherence to safety regulations when crossing train tracks to prevent accidents and prioritize the well-being of all individuals involved. Like video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing moments. Exercise caution to avoid collisions and ensure safety on the road. Prioritize safety and responsible driving behavior at all times. Luckily, the driver emerged unharmed from the incident. Should adjust your driving to suit the current weather conditions. Always maintain focus on the road and avoid distractions such as live stream or texting.
Oh my god!
Is it gonna blow up?
Yeah!
A helicopter crash at Auckland's Viaduct Basin was caused when a supervisor pulled on a cable which hit the aircraft's rotor blades. Oh no! The helicopter was being used to raise a 25-meter tower for the telecom Christmas tree. Do you know, massive out-of-balance forces tore through the helicopter after it struck a lifting line. A police helicopter has crashed in Pompano Beach, Florida, 28th August 2023. You can see its floppy tail seem to slow down on its descent like a maple tree seed pod. I seriously can't believe 2 crew members survived the crash. Honestly, incredible. The pilot did an absolutely incredible job of controlling that crash. So great, a safe crash. A medical helicopter experiences a malfunction and crashes while landing on a Los Angeles hospital rooftop 3 years ago. Wreckage missed the roof's edge by about 15 feet and all aboard survived.
Oh my god.
That landing looked like it would have been way more violent at the speed in which it came down. That's a helicopter crashing after engine failure in January 9th, 2021 in Albany, Texas. The landing looked like it would be way more violent at the speed in which it came down. Handled that like a boss.
Everybody okay?
Good, good.
All right, cool.
Watch
All
front.
good?
Yes,
Yep.
sir. I'm good.
Perfect. Sorry about that, boys.
No worries.
That's all right.
Yep.
Set off.
That's it. Oh. Well, damn.
A shocking video of Florida helicopter crash. Then 2 crew members crawling to safety. Thank God.
Se cayó. ¡Ay, se cayó!
el helicóptero!
A Colombian military helicopter went down. Camera footage accidentally recorded by people with their phone shows the plane rotating many times before falling in a residential area. No community casualties were reported.
¡Se cayó un helicóptero! ¡Ay!
¡Ay, no!
Boluda, se cayó.
Mi-26 Russian border guard helicopter crash by hitting a pole 7 months ago. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to watch more amazing moments. A Rowlett helicopter crash caught on doorbell camera. The pilot just practicing normal procedures for vortex ring escape, and the worst happened. Bless him. A rescue operation following a hiker's 300-foot fall. Helicopter pilot skillfully maneuvers his chopper mere feet from the cliff's edge. As the rescue team employs orange safety ropes, tension causes the rope to catch the helicopter's blade, resulting in a chaotic tumble down the rocky terrain. Despite the perilous situation, he successfully lands the damaged chopper in a nearby field, ensuring the safety of all 7 crew members involved in the rescue mission. example of a vortex ring state VRS, where the helicopter descends into its own turbulence and loses lift and falls straight out of the sky. These Sea Knights are equipped with flotation devices that deploy in the event of a crash. I don't know what caused the helicopter, which is very top heavy, to sink very fast. The helicopter on the heli deck was apparently broken and unable to be moved as a tuner pilot tried to land on the working deck or run out of fuel. Such a poor pilot. Anyway, he was okay later. Helicopter crashed on the highway in the US state of Louisiana. So terrible. That thing crumpled up into a damn ball. A camera captures the moment a military helicopter crashes near a highway in Madison County, Alabama. I never thought of debris being thrown that far from a helicopter crash, but it does make sense. Those blades spin hella fast. So terrible. A medical helicopter crashed near a church in Delaware County, captured by a surveillance camera. Miraculously, all occupants survived. Other video of Russian Mi-14 helicopter is destroyed during attempted water takeoff on the 5th of November 2006.
Thank you for staying with us throughout this incredible journey. We'd love to hear which moment resonated with you the most. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. See you in the next video.